Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we talked about, of course, in June that Internet Explorer was reaching end of support. And that warning was released June 15th of this year. But of course, some of you might still have the legacy browser. Some of you might still have legacy, IE stuff on the PC that could still work on some machines. And if you do, well, the official date where all of this is going to totally stop working is February 14th, 2023. So if you do have and still have in some way Internet Explorer in your computer in a way, like this Windows 10 machine still does have it, as you see here, this will stop working in, totally working actually in, so here's giving you that warning in here, but it's still giving you, kind of a Internet Explorer capability. So if you are working with your computer and still have this and wonder when all of this is going to go away, this is going away in February 14, 2023, like I said. Now, Microsoft had mentioned that it would actually be disabled through a Windows update, and now this has changed. It's not Windows Update that will actually disable it. It seems that Microsoft Edge will be disabling it. So this is where it's going to be. Microsoft Edge is going to be what is going to disable all of the Internet Explorer, whatever's left on your machines in the future. So, first of all, if you're still using Internet Explorer, do change to something else because it is not safe to use. And if you're, of course, enterprise, there are going to be exceptions to the rule. They are saying that there could be exceptions to the rule to certain businesses because you might be surprised, but the way that Windows was and with Internet Explorer kind of fixed in together, what would happen is that some of the functionality, some apps from enterprise, some networks connections were actually using Internet Explorer to go through, and there's still some of that today, even though it's less and less in use. So for some businesses and for some people, there'll be exceptions to the rule that you'll be able to apply, but for regular folks, February 14th, 2023 is the end of the line for Internet Explorer. The once mighty Internet Explorer that was dominant, which is now gone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.